Hi, all. Welcome to Om Shri Tara. We all know that we have seven chakras in our body. There could be so many chakras, but we prominently see the seven chakras as the major chakras. We all know these chakras are has to be aligned in a single straight line, and then these chakras has to spin or rotate. So this is the if the chakras are in the straight alignment, if it's spinning, doesn't matter if it's left or right spin, but it has to be activated. In that case, each chakra has a body part attached to it and our characteristics or mental health attached to it. And if this chakra is aligned and it's very active and spinning or rotating, this the body part that's attached to the chakra or the emotional balance, the emotional character feelings that's attached to the chakra will be good. Example, if your throat chakra is not activated, or if the throat chakra is not aligned in the same path, you'll probably will have problem in speaking, or you'll have problem swallowing, you'll have a problem with tonsils or thyroid issues. This is attached to your physical ailments. Sometimes if this toe chakra is not activated properly, their language will be bad, and for those people whose throat chakras are very well activated, they could be a good preacher, or a person who gives advice, or a teacher, or a singer, those who can use their vocal voice. So each chakra is associated with each of the body part, and each chakra is associated with the emotional part of our mind. So the chakras needs to be aligned straight, and the chakras needs to rotate. So this and similarly, each chakra has different colors and different crystals associated to it. This seven chakra tree can help you align your chakras and then keep it activated. All you have to do is, when you meditate, just keep it beside you, or keep it on the table where you work, where you sit, or where you draw if you're an artist, or if you meet your client. Just keep it on the table and leave it as is, and then these crystals will do their job as it requires.